Welcome to Easy FX and binary trading. Today's video is all about downloading and updating your simulator data. As you guys know, the simulator data downloading features won't work on the free version of the simulator that I shared on the group. So as you can see, this is my version of free simulator here. If I try to download any historical data, let me show you quickly. This is my economic calendar. I just started updating and this update don't work. So let me show you how you can update your data and download the data from the software, inside the software. So first we have to delete the existing simulator. Of course, you have to delete the correct version. And again, I am going to open my data folder and I am going to share my MT4 version demo one. The demo version works perfectly for downloading data after 2 years. I am going to share the file here. So this is our advisor. I am going to send the advisor on the advisor folder and the files on the files folder. Just do everything as I do on the video and reflects everything. Now I'm going to refresh the advisor tab. Right click on here and refresh. We have our demo simulator here. So after that, just double click on it and click allow. Run on disciple mode and click on download historical data and click any pair and update. As you can see, the update is working. I already updated my calendar, so as you can see, this is it. And if I try to download any pair data, you can download only last 2 years data. As you can see, the download has started on the pair. After downloading the simulator tick data, if you are using the MT5 simulator cracked version, you have to reinstall it, and if you are using the Soft4Fx simulator, you don't have to do anything on the MT5 simulator. You can only update your data from the MT5 simulator. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe in our channel.